Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming and get a job. Start by choosing a language and set clear goals. I will walk you through learning fundamentals, building projects, and creating a portfolio that speaks louder than a resume. We will cover efficient practice, useful resources, and ways to get interview experience. Stay steady, track progress, and treat each project as a job sample you can proudly show. Next, I will explain how to build skills fast with a practical approach. Focus on core concepts such as data structures, algorithms, and version control while applying them in small projects. Practice debugging, read other people's code, and contribute to issues to gain real experience. Keep a consistent learning schedule and replace busy work with exercises that directly improve your ability to solve interview problems and build job-ready projects. Then I will explain how to get interview ready with a focused plan. Polish 3 portfolio projects with clear explanations and deployable demos so recruiters can evaluate your work quickly. Practice technical interviews by solving timed problems and reviewing common patterns, then rehearse behavioral stories that highlight impact. Combine applications with networking, follow up on leads, and treat rejections as data to improve your approach for the next opportunity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.